Hello everyone, I am here and today we're going to be lighting some sparkler fountain fireworks in our backyard. So first here we have one called Made in the USA. It's supposed to have a bunch of colors. Next we have one called Breathless, which is supposed to feature some fish designs. And here we have the Alien Fountain. It's supposed to like have strobe lights and stuff, but I'm not actually sure. So, you ready to take it out?
Yep, let's do it.
Okay. I've got Breathless, and he's got Alien, who's got Made in the USA. Wait, where'd you put the matches?
I'm using the lighter.
Oh, okay. That's my dog, Kirby. Is it safe to have Kirby around?
We'll see.
Oh, no.
Probably not. Which one do you want first?
Let's do Breathless first.
The one you got?
Yeah.
One side.
Yeah.
One side, Kirby.
Take him inside, Danielle. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see anything out here. You probably cannot see anything. But once we get the fireworks going, you will be able to see everything in its glory. Alright.
You might want to get back on the porch.
Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing. He just lit the thing. He lit the thing. Alright. Uh-oh, it's fizzling out a bit. Oh boy. Look at that thing. Watch it go. Watch it go. Don't see any fish. Oh. Well, what is this? Oh man, whoa. Is it over? Oh boy. I still don't see any fish. Let's just have like a little fish design thing. Oh man. Oh boy. Whoa.
That's just fireworks.
Hey Mom, can you get the Made in the USA one? Wow, this is amazing. This is really worth it, yeah, because I got this. Wow.
I didn't expect
You made
that.
me miss it because I was looking.
Wow, that was amazing.
Didn't expect that last bit. That was
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, that was like the real fireworks.
Big one.
That was like the real fireworks. All right, let's get.
And they all
That-
have their tails out.
Oh. Yeah,
Poor cows.
I know they must have been so scared.
That's gonna do.
Oh, you can smell that fireworks, the fireworksy smell. You can really smell it. All right, he's gonna light this one. You ready? You ready, guys? He's gonna light it. Oh, here he goes! Here he goes! He's got the fuse. Run, 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 run away! All right, this is supposed to have a lot of colors. Oh, this isn't too bad. Wow. It's not what I expected quite, but... Oh, man, look at that! Oh, dear. Look at that sound. Whoa. Say, what were we going to... Okay, so what I was planning to do earlier was I was going to print out a picture of Donald Trump, put it on there, and then light it so that it would basically explode with Donald Trump on it, but that wasn't the case. Okay, wow. That's just like, whoa. That's just like raining it. I mean, wow. It's just pouring it. Wow, that was good.
That was pretty good. That one,
Yeah.
That one was even better.
Yeah, so the alien one has kind of a crack on the bottom that I'm kind of worried about, cause you know it could like just basically spew out of the bottom some and just go flying. So I would just stay back here if I were you, Dad. Just want you to know. So the reason we're doing this is because it's July 3rd and my birthday is in 5 days because my birthday's on the 8th, and so we were going to do this on our birthday, invite all our friends, but all right, Dad, let's go up here. All right, this is supposed to be big. Wow.
And it's dead.
No, not yet.
Nope.
See how
It's
like
gonna make noise.
it's like lighting up and stuff. Thank goodness the ground is wet because it rained earlier. Wow. Well, that's not what I expected it to be. Okay. Wow.
That's it.
That was pretty good. Oh,
on
you
fire
can.
now.
Yeah, it's still on fire. Should we get the hose?
Yeah.
Oh no, it went out.
No, I'll get the hose anyway. It says you should douse it in water.
All right. Well, that was pretty good. Hey, can you shine a light on that? I just want to look at it. Hey,
I don't have a light to shine.
no, it's on to Mom. Mom, can you shine a light? Okay. Hey, hey, let me see that. Hey, let me see. No, so the camera can't see it. Oh, okay, thank you. All right. All right. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see it, but what? Oh my God.
I'm kidding.
Darn it. So that's that. See, it's like a tiny thing, but did so much damage. That is the breathless one, and that right there is the Made in the USA one. So thank you all so much for watching, and please do subscribe, and I'll see ya. But for now, goodbye.